Dental bonding is a typical dental procedure which is utilized for repairing and restoring tooth that is chipped, damaged, or stained. The process involves the use of a tooth-colored resin substance that is attached to teeth using the use of a specific lighting. On this clip, we'll examine the process of dental bonding and the ways it could help enhance your smile and overall health. What is dental bonding? Dental bonding can be described as a cosmetic procedure in dentistry that can be used to restore and replace teeth damaged or stained. This procedure is made up of a tooth-colored material that is placed on the tooth. It is then cut to conform to the natural shape that the teeth. When the material has been put in place, a light is applied for bonding the material to the tooth. The process of bonding teeth is a common alternative for fixing and fixing teeth that have been chipped, broken, cracked, or discolored. The procedure can also be utilized to seal gap between teeth and also to restore teeth that have been disaligned. The art of dental bonding. Dental bonding is a complex process that requires the use of skill and proficiency. Dentists must be careful to make sure that they match the hue of the resin material with the natural hue of the tooth. They must ensure that the bonding tooth appears natural and seamlessly blends with adjacent teeth. When bonding is being performed, it is necessary to clean the tooth by roughening it and applying a conditioning solution that helps the resin bond with the teeth. The resin material is put on top of the tooth and is shaped so that it will be in line with the natural contours of the tooth. After the desired shape has been attained, a light is utilized to create a hardening effect and then attach the material to tooth. The dentist could have to alter the appearance and shape of the bonding tooth in order for a flawless match with surrounding teeth. When the bonding process is completed, the dentist can polish the bonding tooth, giving it a natural, smooth appearance. Benefits of dental bonding. There are many advantages to dental bonding. Some of them are: improved appearance is a great way to improve the appearance of stained or damaged teeth. It can restore the natural beauty of your smile. It is a safe procedure that only requires minimal preparation of the tooth. It is an efficient and non-invasive option for fixing and restoring teeth. Durable, dental bonding is an effective alternative for treating teeth damaged by chipping or broken. When properly cared for, bonded teeth are able to last for years. It is cost-effective. Dental bonding is a low-cost option for the restoration of teeth that have become damaged or stained. When compared to other cosmetic procedures, the bonding procedure is a more economical option for enhancing your smile. Improved confidence with dental bonding is a great way to boost your self-confidence as well as confidence in yourself with a gorgeous natural-looking smile. All in all, it is an effective and diverse alternative for the repair and restoration of teeth that have been damaged, chipped, or stained. If you're thinking about dental bonding, you should speak with your dentist in order to examine your options and figure out which bonding choice for your needs. Dental bonding is a technique that requires expertise and a high level of precision to produce realistic outcomes. Through the repair and restoration of tooth discoloration or damage, the process of dental bonding will to improve your smile and dental well-being. If you're trying to make your smile more attractive, think about dental bonding as a low-cost and lasting option for getting the most natural and beautiful smile.